Ending this year with this video, my favorite organization video. Today I am organizing small but very useful items of kitchen in a functional and decorative manner. It's Christmas today when I am filming for this video and we sort of having dinner outside, so I decided to utilize this dinner preparation time to organize these useful kitchen items and tools. We all used to have so many kitchen napkins and towels, and to keep them all at one and in a proper place gives so much ease while working, and also helpful to other family members to find them out whenever needed. So I am using this wooden caddy to keep all the napkins in this. Placing this caddy in the front of this cupboard for easy access. I like to buy and collect wooden kitchen and home items. I have put some of these spoons in the food jars already and keeping the remaining spoons in this basket. Often we keep these small things wherever we find a small space, but when they are needed, they are not available because no proper place is made for them. And then we find them here and there. Therefore, it's important to keep these little things at a designated place, and I'm placing it here to grab them easily. Homemaking is quite a busy job. It seems like it is just cooking, washing clothes, washing utensils. But hold on, cooking is not just cooking dal chawal, roti sabji, pizza burger, and it's done. No, but it includes all the arrangements in advance, like grocery shopping, pantry organization, cutting, chopping, kitchen cleaning, and it continues. While working in the kitchen, we should always keep an eye on where and what kind of thing is being consumed so that you can fill it at the right time. Or if something is not available at home, then take a note of it and add to the shopping list. Today morning I noticed that these tea bags are getting finished in this box, so now I am putting green tea bags in it. I saw the mess over here on coffee table created by our daughter, so I am quickly giving some minute to clean and declutter it. As soon as you see a messy place, try to take some time out and clean it quickly. Otherwise, your workload will be increasing. And the biggest benefit we get by doing this is that we always remain active. To fulfill our daughter's wish, we have done some decorations for Christmas. Actually, we should keep doing such little things. It definitely increases some happiness in life. Because of this, at least we get to do something different, something new in life. I like to enjoy the small gestures and moments like this in my life. I've got online delivery, so I am quickly arranging all of this and putting them at their designated places because I still have some time left to go out for dinner. Actually, homemaking is not a fixed 9 to 10 hours job. It's a full day job indeed. Even though I am not cooking dinner tonight, but I'm still busy getting a lot of work done here. I keep potatoes in my utility area above washing machine and fruits in the kitchen. It's the next day morning. After having breakfast, I sort of doing my pending tasks which are not finished yet. The fact is that you would never get time for yourself until you make it for yourself. These daily chores are never ending. Once you finish one, the other one is ready. Cleaning, organizing, cooking, these are all ongoing tasks that never end. I had been thinking about arranging these clips and other small items properly in the drawer for a long time. That's why today I am keeping them in this box so that they all remain at one place and cannot be lost. We must have an organizer to keep these knick-knack items even if not for the bigger item, because small items are more likely to get lost. This jaggery jar is also about to get empty, so I will wash it before refilling it. Otherwise, it will keep getting dirty. I always follow this rule to clean all the food containers in my kitchen. I am not washing this oil bottle right now because I am just putting the remaining oil in it. When I will open a new and fresh oil container, I will wash this bottle thoroughly before refilling it. And with that, I am wrapping this year up at this point, and we'll see you all in the new year 2024 soon. Until then, keep organizing and cleaning your abode and keep filling your Abode Diaries with love. Bye.